Hello everybody and welcome back inside the box for another episode of Gunpla Kitbash with me, Kukamatsu. In this episode, a quick recap of the entire build and then the final reveal. So, let's jump right in. And that is the end of the episode. And not only that, the end of the build. I'd really like to thank everybody who followed along and supported me as I got this YouTube channel going. And keep an eye out for another build starting very soon. So if you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you give me a like down below. Check out the playlist for previous videos. Subscribe if you want to follow along, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.